So I don't know if you can look into the throttle body right here. This is pretty dirty. You need to see through between the plates and the housing where this opens. But as you can see here, there's carbon buildup, so we can barely see through. So as you can see, all that black stuff is all carbon buildup. So we're gonna clean it up. So as you can see right now, it's pretty clean compared to how we had it first. You can see around the throttle plate pretty clear, which tells me it's clean. Before we had carbon buildup around it, and what this does pretty much is when you're not pushing down on the pedal or when you're idling, the car has only that amount for the intake to go through, or pretty much that's how much it's sucking air at idle. And if that's clogged, then there is no air being sucked into the engine, and that chokes the engine down or causes idling issues. In other terms, the car would stall, or it's running rough because it's barely breathing any air. When you push down on the pedal, this plate opens up and sucks more air, and then once you let go of the pedal, it goes back to idling state, which is like that, and that's how much air goes through. As you can see, the gap, that's what idles. So you want to make sure this is always clean, so you don't have any idling issues or any sort of rough idling. But yeah, right now you can see around the plate, which tells me it's pretty clean. And yeah, that's pretty much how you clean up your throttle body.